Hey guys, it's Didi. What's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be doing a part 2 to my how to say Jamaican bad words video. The words that I'll be teaching you today are fairly similar to the ones that I taught you in part 1. Let's do a quick recap of what we learned in part 1. The first word is bumbo clot. The second word is blood clot. The third word is pussy clot. The fourth word is ras clot, and the last one that you should never use, or if you know you can fight and you got this, you got your own back or you got backup, then you can say suck your mother. The most popular Jamaican bad word is bumbo clot. The words that I'll be teaching you guys today are fairly similar. Stay tuned to the end where I'm going to teach you one that's a little exclusive, right? Anyway, before we get into it, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification. Let's get into the video. So the first word that I'll be teaching you today is bumbo hole. Say it after me, bumbo hole. One more time, bumbo hole. Perfect, bumbo hole. The next one that I'll be teaching you is pussy hole. Say it after me, pussy hole. One more time, pussy hole. Right? The next one that I'll be teaching you in that category is ras hole. Say it after me, ras hole. One more time, ras hole. Lovely, ras hole. In case you're wondering, Sadi, what is the difference between bumbo clot and bumbo hole? Bumbo hole is a noun, whilst bumbo clot is a adjective, right? So let me show you the two different scenarios. Let's say someone cut you off while you're in traffic and you're cursing the person. So bumbo hole, you'd say drive up the car, no, bumbo hole. The person is then the bumbo hole, right? Versus if you're using bumbo clot, you're saying drive up the bumbo clot car. So you're using bumbo clot to describe the car. Drive up the bumbo clot car. Drive up the pussy clot car. Drive up the ras clot car. Versus drive up the car, no, bumbo hole. Drive up the car in a pussy hole, drive up the car in a ras hole. So you understand, one is a noun whilst one is a adjective. Oh, that is crystal clear. The bumbo hole and the bumbo clot, those kind of have a little extra season. It kind of pack a little heavier punch. You understand what I'm trying to say? Hopefully you understand. The next word that I'll be teaching you is not something, alright. The next word I'll be teaching you is kind of, it's a very popular Jamaican bad word. It was once used as a derogatory word to basically belittle homosexuals. I thought it was important to involve this. My friends have been telling me to involve it from part 1, but I was like, no. But it's a very popular Jamaican bad word, probably one of the most popular Jamaican bad words. So if I'm going to teach you guys these words, might as well I go ahead and teach you this one as well. Not for you to use it, but if you ever hear it being used, then you understand exactly what it means. As I said before, it was once used to basically belittle homosexual people. But as with any other word that is used to oppress someone, over time it basically loses the punch. It doesn't pack the punch that it once did. Once upon a time, it was only used towards homosexual, or if you genuinely wanted to hurt someone, then you would say this to them, right? Now I heard people just use it casually. It no longer has that level of impact that it once did, which is wonderful. Anyway, let me stop rambling. The word is battyman. This is hella stressful. Battyman is a word that I've never used before now. I've never used it. Thinking about it, I've never used this word. It's used to discriminate against homosexual, or back in the day when Jamaica used to be a little more homophobic or extremely homophobic, then calling a person a battyman used to be a huge insult. So me personally, I don't use it. You also have battygal. I've heard people call women battygal or call lesbian battygal, right? it's not something that I personally use. I'm just sharing it with you that just in case you hear someone using it, then you understand exactly what it is. I'm expecting that you guys now understanding what it is and understanding the impact of this word or the origin of this word, then you'll choose to be responsible and not use it. That being said, let's do a quick recap of what we learned today. The first word that we learned was bumbo hole. Say it after me. Bumbo hole. The second word that we learned today is pussy hole. Say it after me. Pussy hole. The next word that we learned today was ras hole. Say it after me. Ras hole. And the last word that we learned today was batty man. As I said, I've never personally used this word because I understand the origin, so I choose to be responsible, and I am hoping that you guys will choose to be responsible again as well. Anyway guys, that is it for our video today. Remember to like the video if you like it, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. Have a super awesome day, and I'll see you in the next Bumblehole video. Bye! Mwah.
Big up from me, watch it till the end. If you like it, tell a friend. Don't forget to hit the bell. Subscribe and come again. It's the Dihalli. It's the Dihalli show. It's the Dihalli. It's the Dihalli show.